Yeah, we are live. We are live. Marcus Bodycoding live. New footwork every day. Are you excited? Remember, you see, we do no excuses. Yeah, today combination, a new combination. Cross 7 and tap 5. You ready? First, watch for yourself. Let's go. Again. Yeah, now let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. I'll switch the cameras. Yes, let's do it together. You ready? We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We cross, we open, we cross, and then we tap, step to the back on the balls of the feet, and step in place. Yeah, with the right. Cross, open, cross, tap to the front, step to the back on the balls of the feet, and step in place. Again with the left. 1, 2, 3. Tap, step, step. Yeah, with the right. 1, 2, 3. Tap, step, step. Yes. Again with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You know what? Last time looking great. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Yeah. This is the move. But you know what? Let's practice even more. You ready? Let's do it right now, face to face. Let's go. You ready? Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yes, but not checking your makeup. Practicing. Let's go. Starting with the left again. Let's go. We cross. We step. We cross. Tap. Step to the back and step. Cross, step, and cross, tap, step to the back, and step in place. Yeah, let's go again. Cross, step, cross. This is cross 7. This is tap 5. Tap, step to the back, and step in place. Now cross 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, and tap 5 with the left. Tap, step, step. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, let's give it a twist. You ready? Let's add one thing and then another thing. Let's go. First thing. We can drop. Yeah, we can start with 1. Yeah. Control. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Go up. Now we control. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Drop on 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Drop. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And second thing that we can add the chest drop. Yes. Where do we do that? At the end. Let's go. 7 will do that. Let's go. So we can still do the drop. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes. This is the drop. With the right. Dropping down. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it from the side. You ready? We are dropping. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, boom. Yeah. Dropping. 2, 3, 5, 6, 5. Yeah. This is the groove. This is the thing that we are adding. We learned row 7, yes, top 5, and then we added 2 things: a drop and a drop with the body and a drop with the chest. By the way, you can check the chest pop and drop tutorial. Where do you check that? Check in the links above, below, to the sides. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for the isolation chest pop and chest drop. Yes. And if you want to practice with me these moves, cross 7 and top 5, which we did a combination of them, you can also search them in the same YouTube channel. Search cross 7 and top 5. Yes, these are universal moves. What do you mean by universal, Marcus? Universal means that you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, Samba, Samba. Yes, all of these. And by the way, salsa, you can do them on 1 or on 2. Why? Because you can start them with the right or with the left. Amazing or not amazing? You decide. But either way, remember that practice isn't the thing you do once you're good. It is the thing you do that makes you good. So practice this move today using the videos on YouTube or this video. Yeah, do it today. And I have another reason for you to do it today. What's the second reason, Marcus? The second reason is tomorrow is a new footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. So I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Most of the times. Have a good day.